What's up guys, it's DandaREAPER and I've got another person on as well. Gamertag. I forget. Yeah. Other people keeps joining. Yeah, I'll show you around my server. You alright?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, seen that one, seen that one. Seen all these. I've got rid of all my spiders because I kept getting problems with it. No, wrong one. That's it, I've had enough of that sound. Options. There we go. Yep. Seen that one. I've got no new building. Tube's original. Nice little room. Show you underneath. Ha! I didn't see this. This is nice. Got a little football court here. Can we chuck around?
Pass it the ball.
Goal.
I win. I'm crap.
Yeah, got another one. He's made a little swimming pool. Nice little bed. Upstairs, nice view. There's one. And there's two. Yeah, that's his house. Seen those, and I was on about Spleef Arena. Well, I didn't bother Spleef Arena, but built this, and then I decided no, this is not going to be my Spleef Arena. It's going to be my house. Little goblins on either side. Lava underneath. That's little chair. I've got one room. Room. Thank you. 2 rooms. That. Well, that will hopefully be changed. I'll change that soon. Like that. There we go. Thank you. Damn, I ain't got. Yeah. My little house room of tools and stuff, and underneath this is what it looked like that. Dun, 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 dun. My nice swimming pool, and underneath there's lava underneath. I'll show you. There you go. There you go, lava. Do you want to see, dude? Okay. Do you want to see? Do you want to go under? There you go, have a look. Underneath.
What's that under?
Lava.
That's cool.
And on upstairs, I've got another room. I've got massive rooms here. Another room, same. And then nice little storage areas, hopefully. And then my nice bedroom. Oh, wait, damn.
Hey Dan.
Oh, hello. Smithy joined. Cool, all my mates are joining now. Let's invite them. After all that. Smithy, you join?
Yeah, I'll join. You know there's going to be the next update is night and day?
Yeah, survival,
When
yeah.
is it going to be?
I don't know.
When is it going to be?
I have no clue. I don't know.
When is there going to be anything else?
There is, I promise. And then this is Smithy's room. Don't know why those are there.
Oh.
Oh, that's there. Okay.
I hope there's new monsters, because spiders builds are just pathetic, aren't they?
There's going to be other stuff, and you do know I'm recording.
Oh, are you?
Yes. Yeah. There's all those people. That's already done. You put your name on there. A few other people joining. Hayden and everything. There we go. That's just else.
Yeah.
Here's my server. I got new plots. Nice new plots. Let's invite all those. So if they want to build something. Come on, load up.
Wait.
Why what?
No, you can, but still make stuff.
Yeah.
Are you filming it from Xbox or like a little camera?
What? It's recording. Yeah. I've got a little camera.
I just think this is okay camera just because most cameras you can't film what to record it. Like computers or TVs because it kind of goes weird.
Oh, mine don't, because mine's plasma screen, so it's in a flash. Call these people.
Oh.
Please join a party. Yeah. What's that?
Yeah, that's a nice order.
Leeboy wants to invite me to party.
Oh, I've got to change my sign. It's not right.
Where's your sign?
It says Smithy 955. Hold it.
Where?
Oh, wait, I can't do anything.
I'll do it for you. Was it is yours capital S? Yeah, S M I
This new stuff.
F F.
Just asking, have you had anything else? What's this one? Purple down.
Is that? How are you?
The one with teleporting on.
Dude, look. Smithy!
Hold on.
Is this how you spell your name? S-M-I-T-H-Y. Damn. S-M-I-T-H-Y 955 U-S-E. There you go. The hell? Yeah, people digging. Oh. Okay, big old spider. Are you actually here?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Are you building another house again then? Oh, sorry, yeah.
There's a chest and a random board in my house where you not want to delete it.
There we go. What? Oh, yeah, I got angry and deleted loads of stuff. Come here, Smithy, come here.
Yeah.
Now look. Go under and you'll see how deep it is. Trust me, you can't die.
Yeah, but why did you build it in my house?
Because I got a bit angry. I kind of got a bit.
Okay.
So, you know when you killed my person?
Oh, yeah. And I can't get back up. Oh.
Is that alright?
Hello. Okay.
You're going to have to do it for you.
Oh, crap.
Oh, thank you, dude. Lock you in.
Wait, what?
Might change my stuff, I
Oh
don't
my
know.
god, you just did that. I've picked it up.
Yeah, we'll delete these.
Do you wanna, shall we make something new?
Sure.
We need to make something new.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I've got to check. Did you finish it? You did. Have you actually even started on your underground city?
Yeah, I've been doing bits actually. Mentioning that, I'll do it today. While everyone's watching.
Oh yeah, I see what you added. You've added all the light.
Yeah.
You know what you need to do? You could have done. You could have done air vents. You know, like.
TNT, glass.
Yeah. I would help, but I don't know what you like want to build. But you can put the walls in there, like for NPCs.
I don't know. Yeah. Everyone's joining, but they're not joining my party, which is annoying. So then I can't. Grim, bugger off. I don't want to.
Yeah, that's what I kind of do. I have to have people in my party before I give them edit to my map.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Yeah.
This is like, no.
Yeah.
I've also got auto save, so you know I've got quickly.
Yeah.
This is good here together. Hold on. I don't know. Who's showing them? I have to admit, this map doesn't look the best because some people's made a house out of bricks and some people's made a house out of wood. You know, like, you know. Thing is, I might change mine to wood because I do like houses that are like that in wood.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
Oh shit. Alright, yeah, alright.
Why is there like lots of water in this tower? Someone find out.
Lots of water in the tower.
But I believe that killing house. Really a house and there's like 600 floors.
I helped him build it. Get rid of that.
It should have been like an apartment, like you know, a miniature house, like a rooms. Oh, there's a... Oh, I'm in the top tower. There's a stairs here. The ladders for disabled people, and this is for people on the extra.
What?
You know what I might do? You know, there's actually a race in America where, like, you know the Empire State Building, they have races up there, you know, up the stairs. You might do it. Probably not, but...
You are, dude.
We need something like... Still about how you made your house into... Well, definitely into a house. I've noticed something here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is this one of your other mad... Is this what other one of your mad things?
What?
Find this map. Oh, find this little sand thing, clay thingy with lava in it.
Oh man. Oh, this dude, he built a little thingy. He kind of wanted to destroy it. He wanted to use it, turn it into a blowing up thing. So yeah.
That's what I completely forgot to put in my house, because usually I'd make a chimney with a fire and put marble in next to it.
Yeah, what was it doing? Yeah.
Oh no!
I don't know what I was doing.
Do I have any glass on me? Good. Oh, it doesn't look nice my house now, but I'll fix on it. Like... I hope that comes to Xbox.
Yeah, it's coming soon.
What? What is?
Minecraft.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be that good.
It's on YouTube, but
Hey mom.
I'm gonna get what to call it on YouTube, because I think computer one will look better and will be better. Because you could get, unless you could get mods on it, I'll be fine. Like, you know. And how many updates do I have to do? That's the thing.
There we go.
Me. Ha! I just was thinking, yeah, damn you. You can find a bank, there's nothing in there. Oh. What we got? Like, you built that house like a teleport.
Mate, just someone joined. Wanted to build something. It's actually quite good. I like it.
I do like it. It's actually pretty nice, but I don't get too attracted to it. Like, ooh, shiny, shiny. Shiny, shiny is like, you know, it's glowing, but it's cobblestone. But I know how to. That's a design flaw. You know. Only if there's weather on this, that would be funny. I'd love to see their house. Oh shit.
Keep hearing glass smashing.
I did not just destroy any big hole.
What is this
What you need to
kid
make
sent me a
is,
message?
instead of houses, you need to make like